So happy Christmas! We're only a week away now. So this morning I just want to speak really briefly around doing something for others, helping a charity. It's a very standard big business practice to do some charity work, and actually that's sometimes a tax offset or something like that, but actually it's really good for morale as well, and certainly a practice that I've followed right from the start of my business. So this year for Christmas I'm supporting CCP with their Hamper Scamper, and by making a video about how to wrap a Christmas present. So rather than me rattle on, I suspect you might have some wrapping to do. I wish you a very Merry Christmas, and here's my video about how to wrap a Christmas present. Hello, I'm going to show you a really foolproof way of wrapping presents for Christmas.